Hey everybody, welcome into the farm. Farmer Matt here. It's Saturday and we just got back from farmers markets. As you can see, it's beautiful out. I'm actually not going to play like I wish I could because I was kind of just, slacking off, being lazy yesterday when I should have been working. I wasn't really like slacking off or being lazy or anything. I just had other things to do and I didn't really want to do the work that I had to do, so I just didn't do it. I don't think that's slacking off or being lazy. I'm going to show you what we're going to do out at the place that we're going to do it. Right here I have in front of me a Tillmor PowerOff 240. This thing is awesome. If you look right here, you'll see the work that it does. This is just where it doesn't get. You'll see it in a couple seconds anyways. So let's get started. So what's the point of doing this right now? Well, if you look down here, I don't know if you can see that, but we have some thread stage weeds. If you don't do it when the weeds are in their thread stage, it's not close to as efficient. And you'll see there's going to be a couple patches that we do today that's quite past the thread stage. It works absolutely perfectly on this stage of weed right here. Wait any longer, a week or two, and it will not be even close to as good, Wait 5 days and it isn't going to be close to as good. I hope I don't take out a bunch of plants right here. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't do right here. I'm going to hop over. I don't want to wreck the beans. Would not be worth it. Ordinarily it would take about 30 minutes to hoe this up here, let alone weed it. Well, this thing does it in 5 or 10 maybe. Yeah, this is about the max height we can do for sunflowers with this thing, unfortunately. Wow. One of these days I'm going to do a video on like a bean patch. Bean patch transformed without any manual labor. Alright. Nothing over here, so I'll see you over at the other patch right over there. Sorry folks, I thought I turned on my camera, but I didn't. Anyhow, I did this over twice, and it obviously doesn't get the stuff in between. But that's not what it's meant to get, but it really loosens it up, makes it really easy to pull it out. So, the corn down there came up well, I'm going to show you that. It's in front of the weeds a good amount, so that's always a blessing. I hate when the weeds are higher than the plant. Then it's a big pain. We're finally coming to the end of this patch, but we still have a whole bunch more rows coming up to do, so I'll still be out in here for probably another 20 minutes-ish. It is muddy down here. We have had a lot of rain this summer, and it helps some, it hurts other places, so it's kind of an even Steven deal, I don't mind the rain personally. At least you get a couple off days once in a while, but then again, you'll be picking from market, and it'll start to downpour, and then it's miserable. Absolutely miserable. Here goes nothing. I wonder how it's going to do. I don't know. Yeah, that's kind of bad. Almost needs rototilled. Yeah, this is not going to work. But we'll hit up the beans over there. Last pass, amen. Well, it's actually not quite the last pass because we have all those to do. But these are the hard ones. Those we'll be able to do in one pass because that's the size of weed that this was actually designed for. So it'll be easy breezy. Whoa, a golf ball. Man. How'd that get out there? Oh, I bet the neighbor was playing golf off of his back lawn and he said, whoosh, sent it right over here. Give you a dime if that's what happened. I think so. I think that's what happened. I mean, I don't know what else. It's not a bad shot, depending on where he was aiming. I don't know. Neighbor's a great guy though. We have about a lot more to do. I'd say we're maybe halfway done. And my throat is parched. Let's see how this stuff is. Not terrible. I should be able to do most of it in one pass. Maybe the bottom I won't be able to do. Man. All of a sudden it just sounded like it's out of gas about. Yep. It's almost out. Man. Of course, and I don't think we have any gas, so sweet. One more thing to make me get less done. We got gas, and we're ready to roll. Folks, we're finally on our last row. Amen. I love this thing. Yeah, I mean, if I'm gonna like one job, it's this. It's minimal effort. Man, now people are gonna start calling me minimal effort Matt. Stink. Sometimes they wouldn't be wrong. Like right now. This can be dangerous sometimes, so I hope nothing bad happens, because this is my first time doing it by myself. I'm gonna get a feeling, wow. Wow, that was close. Woo! That was very close. Literally one more second, and yeah, that would not have been good. Not at all. Man. Man, that's all I can say right now. Alright folks, that will be it for today. Thanks for watching. I will see you whenever I see you next.